Hello, Standard 7, good morning, and today we will read about the chapter 9, that is social networking sites. Okay, what is social networking sites? Social networking sites means, so we say social networking sites or social networking services. Okay, saying a social networking service is a platform to build a social network among the people who share interests, activities, background, or real life connections. So a social network service consists of a representations of each other. That is often a profile, we say, right? His or her social links and variety of additional services. Social network are web-based services that allows the individual to create a public profile, to create a list of users with whom to share the connections, view and cross the connections within the system. And most of the social network services are web-based and provide means for users to interact over the internet, such as email, instant messaging, etc. So the social networking sites are varied and they incorporate with the new information and communication tools such as the mobile connectivity, photo video sharing, blogging, etc. And we say the social networking sites allow users to share the ideas, pictures, posts, activities, events, and interest with the people in their network. Okay. So some of the popular networking sites services: Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and LinkedIn. In this chapter, we will go to this Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus. These three social networking sites. Okay, Facebook was founded by the founded on February 4th, 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, saying Facebook is an online social networking services headquartered in the Menlo Park in California. After registering to use the site, users can create the user profiles to users a friend exchange messages, post structures, update photos, share the videos, services notifications when other updates their profiles. Okay. Additionally, user may join common interest users groups organized by workplace, school or college or other characteristics or characterize their friends into the list such as people from work or close friends, etc., etc. Okay, and nowadays it has been seen that 1.3 billion active users until June 2004, and even now if we will see until 2021, then there will be not billion, there will be covering the trillions of active users in Facebook, right? How to join the Facebook? You will know how to join the Facebook. Go to the Facebook site. Under sign up, you will see several boxes that require information such as your name, email address, your address, and your valid data regarding yourself. Okay. Then date of birth boxes have information in the drop down list, and click an arrow to display a list where you can click on the data that matches your personal details. Okay. When you have filled in all the details and enter your password, click the green sign up button. There will be a green sign up button, you can see. Next, Facebook will now open your profile and ask you a series of questions to help you get started. Okay, step 1 is designed to help you link up with the friends who are already using Facebook. And to do this, insert the email address that you use to create your profile. Then, in the box provided, and then click the find friends. Okay, find friends. Facebook will access your email contact, match with them with the existing Facebook users, and make the letters by your friends. And nowadays also, since we are accessing the site of Facebook through the mobile, it can also show you those who have the Facebook account through their online services by phone. Okay, so they can also be listed up as your friend to connect them as a Facebook user or your friends. Okay, so your Facebook ID will be made now. Now using the Facebook, how to get started with Facebook? To get started with Facebook, sign in the Facebook website using the email address, password, and you are registered with your profile pages, which is personal to you, and will open on a new feed, which is a timeline of your Facebook friends activity. And this is also where you can update your status, share your photos, videos, etc., and even ask a question. Okay, there is a interface of Facebook page. How to get started with this event on your book, page number 85. You can see for your better understanding. Okay. Question next step is take a moment to look at the side panel on the left of the screen, and this will give you an idea of the variety of activities and the function available here. There is a welcome, news feed, message, event, photos, etc. Okay, and apps or applications, groups, etc. So they are having their usual own meanings, their statements, and the functions in the Facebook. You can access them by clicking on them. Okay, and comment can also be sent on the before posting your picture. You can type a comment, choose the ad, the locations where photograph was taken, tag the friends who appears in the image, and set who is able to view it after typing comment. Click on the post option, right? In this way. So after that, apart from that, we can also do the photo. The photo and comment will appear almost immediately on your Facebook page. It will also appear on the friends page, and friends can then add a comment underneath your photo or like it. Okay, and another action will be appearing on your timeline, allowing your friends to see that you like the picture and sent by him or her. There is a section update status, add photo videos, select the image or video file on your computer, etc. Okay, so this is how we can access the Facebook. Next we will see the another social networking site, that is Twitter. Twitter, you know, the official name of Twitter's bird is Larry. Okay, and Twitter is another online social networking services that enables users to send and read the short 140 characters messages called tweets. So the registered user can read and post the tweets, but unregistered users can only read them. So user access Twitter through the website interface, SMS, mobile device app, okay, and Twitter inks, etc. So these are based on the San Francisco and has more than 25 offices around the world. Okay, to access this or to access or resolve any kind of problems regarding the social networking system, okay, or sites. Twitter was created in March 2006 by the Jack Dorsey, Ivan Whelan, Bill Stone, and Noah Glass. By the July 2006, the site was launched, and the service rapidly gained worldwide popularity with more than 100 million users who in 2012 posted 340 million tweets per day. Okay, so the service has handled 1.6 billion search queries as per the day, and 2013 Twitter was one of the 10 most visited websites and has been described as the SMS of the internet. And nowadays it must also it would have been getting more advantageous and more famous, as in July 2004 Twitter has more than 500 million users, out of which more than 271 million are active users. This is what about the Twitter. Next we will say Google. Okay, Google Plus or Google Plus or Google this Plus. Okay, as we know, it is a most common social networking and identity service that is owned and operated by the Google Incorporation. Okay, and Google has described that Google Plus as a social player, not social player, that is social layer that enhance many of its outlying properties, and that is not simply as a social networking of sites, but also an authorship tool that associates the web content directly with its owner and author. It is the second largest social working media or social networking site in the world after the Facebook. At 540 million monthly active users are part of the identity service site, and by interacting the social with Google's enhanced properties like Gmail +1 button, YouTube comments. In October 2013 student, Google counted 540 millions of active users. Okay, and then active users who use at least Google Plus services, of which 3 million users are active in the stream. Okay, Also, there are many more social networking sites, but they are not given in your book. You can also go through the internet for searching of many other working sites that is popularly used now in the real world. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Question answer will be sent very soon.